Hi Libra, this is your monthly love and relationship tarot cards reading by M for the month of March 2021. It's going to be 4 cards representing your relationship, and yeah, from there, Ace of Cups, King of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, safety and security, stability in the relationship by all means, but kind of maybe career, maybe money, maybe something that is common ground here for you guys. Now 4 cards are representing you, Libra. Queen of Cups with Ace of Cups, that's very nice. King of Cups with the Lovers, 10 of Pentacles with the Moon, 7 of Cups with the Magician. Nice. 4 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, something that is, you know, how can I put it, maybe stagnant situation in the relationship, alright, maybe kind of dead end. You yourself feeling like you found kind of dead end in this relationship. You know, that is how to move forward. It's stable, but it's boring. It's stable, it's good, but it's boring. Nothing happens in this relationship. You know, now you are perhaps thinking, why are we even together? You know, that kind of moment before this month. But things are moving forward for you guys. Now I'm gonna draw 4 cards for your partner, and it's 6 of Wands for your partner with Ace of Cups. The Lovers, oh how sweet, look at this Libra, that's beautiful. 2nd week of March. Now 10 of Pentacles, 3rd week of March, and we have 3 of Wands with 10 of Pentacles, and Judgment with 7 of Cups. Do you have somebody who's Aries, perhaps Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo person, your partner? You know, somehow, you know, it's maybe relationship that is some long-standing relationship, and you people are, I don't know, around your household, around your everyday life, around your making money. You know, that is kind of common ground. That's what you talk about, your safety, your security, you know, but the relationship is the place for you to feel safe and secure. This lovely King of Wands, your partner, as I said, Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo person, fire sign, beautiful energy, but you are kind of indecisive, you are kind of pulled back, kind of what to do. It's boring, make something interesting, and perhaps this King of Wands will make things interesting, because it is always full of idea. It's ultimate creator. It's a lovely energy now in this configuration just before this month, and that's how you actually came into this month. That's what you inherited. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups after 4 of Pentacles is beautiful. You know, that what was stuck, that in one place, yes, with the safety and security, but now it seems it will move on. It does have idea to move on. Something is coming your way to move on the relationship in a very happy way. Very happy. This is Ace of Cups. Queen of Cups on your side, 6 of Wands on the side of your partner. I think that what I said. Ultimate creator, this fire sign is there. It's bringing up this idea, is a leader. This is natural leader, and this person, your partner, will bring something, I don't know, bring up something, whatever that will be. You know, let's go somewhere. Let's travel. Let's do this career together. Let's, you know, we'll bring something that is opportunity for you guys to be together, to evolve in this relationship. You are just happy yourself, Libra. You know, with Queen of Cups, you are just happy. You are watching this person with love, with care. All right, this is a very caring energy, but rather passive. You know, you will take whatever this person, this active creator, this leader, you will just watch this person and follow this person. Okay, it's kind of, babes, whatever you said, it's all right. And this Aries, Sagittarius, Leo person will lead the way into something very happy. And then we have Lovers and King of Cups in the middle as your relationship. Whatever that is turbulent, whatever that is unresolved, it's worked out. This is very happy energy. I think for the relationship, I think King of Cups, it's something excellent to have. It means that your relationship is stable. Doesn't matter whatever that you people do, that you bring from your individual side, alright, it will not affect this relationship. It takes everything. With King of Cups, that is a lovely energy in the middle here, representing your relationship. And even better, on both sides, the Lovers card. How beautiful this is, Libra. It's not just beautiful, it's the best. The Lovers energy, ultimate love card. I feel like I shouldn't even explain this. The second week, you people are loving each other, you're trusting each other, you know that you belong to each other. That's it. What you think that it's supposed to be, another person is agreeing. You people are absolutely the same, on the same level, with same ideas. Absolutely balanced relationship is blossoming. It couldn't get better than this. Ten of Pentacles. Third week of March is lovely energy for the relationship sector. It seems that everything is set in here. This relationship is good for you, not just for you personally, where you're gonna show your love. It's good medium for you to grow as I don't know, as a business person, as money maker, as you know, that is, you people are helping each other. This relationship is very important for both of you by all means. And you look, Three of Wands, your partner is looking into something new, something that is new career, waiting to see what is going to happen here, right? Because the relationship is just perfect and stable. That's what it is, that's what it's supposed to be. Your relationship this month, Libra, is fantastic. And you people are gravitating around it with your own needs. You Libra, with something that is unsure about. You are dealing with something, some uncertainty, with something that is doubtful for you. I really feel that it's not a relationship. It doesn't have anything to do with this relationship. Your doubts, something that you do in your private life. Your partner is all concentrated on its business, on its career, waiting for something to happen, invested into something in its life. You see, this person is turning back, looking for something that is just for this person, just for him or for her personally. Maybe that makes you a bit uncertain, or it's completely different situation that you are dealing with that is full of uncertainty, unknown facts, some long preparation for something. You see what I'm saying? You are both dealing with something on your own, but the relationship is absolutely stable. There is no doubts. Now we do have the Magician, Judgment, and Seven of Cups. This is options in here. Your relationship can go many ways. It can be place for you to, as I said, to do business, and get married, have children, and happy life together. It will work. That's option 2, to make your business together, to be business partners as well. That's possible too. Many things are possible in here, because Ten of Pentacles is absolute perfection, absolute stability. You see what I'm saying? Even if you people are doing things on your own, relationship is that common ground, way most important place for you people, for both of you. Alright, the Magician, Judgment on top, around this Seven of Cups. The Magician energy with you is that creating something new, going for something new, brand new. You haven't done this before. And the Judgment is decision, absolute decision with the Judgment, things that will last, perhaps something that was known from some time ago. Now that idea is coming up kind of very, very much alive at this point of time, end of the March. You are coming with ideas. You people are making decision, judging, moving forward. You people are moving forward. Which way? Will it be marriage? Will you move together? Will you do business together? Something like that, end of the month. Very important. It just consolidates. It's not that consolidates your relationship. Your relationship is very solid, alright? It consolidates you. It helps you to grow. You see what I'm saying? You are using this relationship for your growth. On either side, you people are moving forward, making decisions, having ideas what to do, whether with your own plans or plans to do things together. Seven of Cups, everything is open there. But what is most important, you people are just, I don't know, you are inseparable. You people are inseparable. You people are that one thing, that completion, that perfection. And you can do with this relationship, you can live with this relationship any aspect of your life. Enjoy it, Libra, this is beautiful.